Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on your HP ProBook 450G2 laptop. So in order to change wallpaper, you'll have to right click on the display, then select the Personalize. This will transfer us to the background settings, and right here we'll be able to pick an option of a background that we like the most. For now it's Windows Spotlight. It's a simple solution. This will let Windows just choose a random picture for us. They're usually pretty beautiful, so you might just go with it. But if you want to change it, you can select a picture, a solid color, or a slideshow option. A picture is a usual option. In this case, you can select just some of the pictures that are presented by Microsoft, or you can browse File Explorer for a picture that you like and select it from here. You can also select a feed that fits you the most. You can play with any of them, and if the feed is such that it doesn't that the picture doesn't perfectly fit into your display borders, you can fill these borders with any color that you like. If you don't like the black empty blank space on the edges, you can just decide on a color that you want and fill it with fill the edges with it. The other option is a solid color. It's just a solid color on your display, so there's nothing more to say about it. So it's just a simple solution if you don't want any images to be on your display. The slideshow option is just basically a slideshow of images that you can you can create an album in your File Explorer and add some pictures to it, and they will change automatically every 30 minutes. But if you want them to change more or less frequently, you can adjust this setting to yourself. You can also select to shuffle or not to shuffle the images that are in the folder, so that they will either appear or in a random order or in a specific one that you decide on. You can let slideshow run if battery power is low, even if your laptop is working on a battery power. Pardon me. You can also as well choose a feed for your images right here, and that's basically it. So yes, these 4 options you have for choosing a wallpaper for your laptop. And that will be it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.